Welcome to news updates from Ho Technical University. I'm Dorothy Nati. Anticipation is building up at Ho Technical University ahead of the 7th Vice Chancellor's Distinguished Lecture Series on Wednesday, June 17, 2026 at 10 a.m. Vice Chancellor Professor Ben Honyenuga will host Professor Ron Tuninga, Rector of Wittenberg University of Applied Sciences in the Netherlands, at the GM Mafefi Auditorium. The lecture will focus on how artificial intelligence is reshaping business education, research, and administration across Ghana's technical universities. Mr. Godwin Kumador, a union leader, told the news team, the event is timely, noting that AI has become integral to effective university administration.
Administrators are supposed to learn the skill sets and be well equipped in order to deliver their day-to-day tasks more efficiently and within the constraints of time and technologies that are available. This AI lecture that is under the VC's Distinguished Lecture Series is a step in the right direction. And I believe that after the lecture, we'll be able to do more in our various fields of art endeavor as far as administration is concerned.
The Vice Chancellor's Distinguished Lecture Series continue to serve as a platform for thought leadership, bringing global perspective into Ghana's academic community. This is news updates from Ho Technical University, the hub of technological and practical education in Africa. I'm Dorothy Nati.